Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today it's Sunday, just kind of lazy laid back day. Danny's mowing. I decided to just let my chickens out for a while. And you can see they're over there kind of sort of near Hank's pen, and he's sitting watching. Hank's been taught not to mess with the chickens. That's why I take him in the chicken pen every time. I've had people say something about that. But I don't want Hank to think he can attack my birds. So every morning and every afternoon, Hank goes into the chicken pen, and we're working on sitting and watching in the chicken pen. So he's doing good. He's just watching them right now. He's not barking at them because I don't need him barking every time my chickens get close to his pen. Now these chickens usually stay in a contained building for the most part. They have 2 rooms to free flow back and forth through. But we take green stuff to them, and I let them out on occasion when I can be out here watching, because we do have hawks, and I don't want hawks to get my girls that lay my eggs. And when they're out, they get their stuff. But we have to protect our gardens. Gardens are foremost. Gardens are the first thing here on our homestead. We protect our gardens. So Danny and I have put up little mini fences around the carrot beds and the new no longer back to Eden garden. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I'm going to have to call it our love garden or something, because we put the carrot beds, and Amanda and I have the growing our carrots with love going on. And so that may become no longer back to Eden, but the love garden. I'm just going to say that's got to be what I call it, maybe. We didn't want the chickens running through things that we've planted. Of course, we haven't planted the love garden yet, but we will in the next week or so. And so we don't want them thinking that's their playhouse. Right now, let me show you where they're at. First, I have my cup of coffee. Thanks, Miss Bee Lady. She sent me this cup. I had one like it, and she saw it and loved it, so she ordered her one and me one. So when Miss Bee Lady comes, we're going to sit around drinking coffee and tea in our cups. The girls' pen is right there, and they came out the door, and of course they were at Hank's a while ago, but now they're just playing around under this fig tree, which is okay. They will eat all the bugs and stuff before winter, and then we'll rake all the leaves back to protect the fig tree. The fig tree needs lots and lots of mulch for the winter in order to create this big of a fig tree. We get like 25 to 30 gallons of figs off this tree. And when it's producing, we can't let the chickens out because they would eat our figs. Because you see, one's already eating on the limbs right now. It doesn't matter this time of the year because there are no figs on them. But in the spring, we have to protect the tree. We're just going to watch the girls a little while this morning, enjoy my cup of coffee, and see that Hank behaves. He's liking the... He doesn't like it, I guess you would say, but he's learning to just watch the girls. And that way, when I have him out, he won't chase them. He will sit and watch in case there's predators around. That's Hank's job here on the homestead, is to keep track of my animals and not let something, not necessarily that he's going to attack whatever's attacking them, but that he will keep them run off. And the girls have free open door policy. They can go in and out their building. You may see them going in and out. That's so that they can go back and lay their eggs when they need to, but yet they can still come in and out in free range.